Are you looking for the best stereo shelf systems? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best stereo shelf systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Philips Bluetooth Stereo System. The Philips Bluetooth Stereo System lets you easily stream your favorite playlists via Bluetooth, play CDs, and listen to FM radio. The system's bass reflex loudspeakers deliver clear sound and good bass, making it perfect for a lounge or open-plan living space. Its classic design with a two-tone central unit and speaker cabinets recall the design of hi-fi separates, while the textured volume control dial adds a satisfying analog feel to operation. However, some users have reported issues with the remote control being weak, and the CD drive making a repetitive ticking sound. Additionally, the front volume dial may not work properly. Despite these drawbacks, the Philips Bluetooth stereo system is a great choice for those looking for an affordable and stylish micro system that delivers clear sound and good bass. Number 2. LONPOO Bluetooth Home Stereo Shelf System. This small stereo system is packed with features for listening to FM radio, not AM. Playing MP3s/WMAs via USB, and wireless streaming of audio content from your smartphone, mobile phone via Bluetooth. It also has a top-loading CD player that supports CD/CDR/CDRW and a 3.5mm O input for playing audio from other devices. The LONPOO Bluetooth Home Stereo Shelf System boasts a built-in DSP technology that provides 30 watts. 2x15 watts RMS/40 W max via the power of two-way speakers. The high-performance silk dome tweeters offer smooth treble and precise imaging, while the balanced rubber woofer delivers powerful and transient bass. This micro hi-fi system comes with 2 wooden speakers with rounded corners, a main machine with a big knob and white backlit LED display screen, a headphone jack for private listening, and a comfortable remote control for convenient use. It also has memory function, 5 EC modes, and 3 repeat modes, 1/all/random. Overall, the LONPOO Bluetooth Home Stereo Shelf System is an ideal gift for lovers, children, parents, friends, family members, and colleagues. It comes with a 12-month replacement warranty and 24-hour customer service, supplied by the seller. Number 3. LG CM4590 XBOOM Bluetooth Audio System. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile shelf stereo system, the LG CM4590 XBOOM Bluetooth Audio System is a great choice. The LG CM4590 XBOOM Bluetooth Audio System is a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful and versatile shelf stereo system. With Bluetooth connectivity, an FM radio tuner, and a USB to USB recording feature, this system is perfect for listening to music and recording your favorite tracks. While some users have reported that the bass is not as strong as they would like, overall the sound quality is excellent and the system is very easy to use. If you're in the market for a new shelf stereo system, the LG CM4590 XBOOM Bluetooth Audio System is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Pyle Wireless Bluetooth Stereo Shelf System. The Pyle Wireless Bluetooth Stereo Shelf System features an 8-inch subwoofer, a 5.25-inch medium speaker, and a 3-inch tweeter, which together deliver high-quality and clear sound. With its dual built-in amplifiers, this system provides maximum performance and power. In addition to Bluetooth compatibility, this system includes a range of convenient features, such as an LED display, DVD, CD function, FM radio, USB flash drive compatibility, 2 microphone inputs, and an equalizer with presets. The blue-colored speaker lights add a visually appealing element to your audio setup. While the sound quality may not be as good as some higher-end stereo systems, The Pyle wireless Bluetooth stereo shelf system is a great choice for those seeking a powerful and convenient wireless Bluetooth stereo system. Number 5. TIAMBOY Vintage Home CD Stereo System. The TIAMBOY Vintage Home CD Stereo System provides clear, rich sound from bass to treble with a great interior structure. The wooden enclosure is highly rigid, reducing vibrations, reverberations and faithfully reproducing the original sound in the low-frequency range, with a natural tone that is unique to wooden materials. The overall design is simple and sophisticated, free and comfortable to use, big-size LED display and convenient remote control. It's an ideal gift for lovers, children, parents, friends, family members, colleagues. In summary, if you're looking for a compact and all-in-one multimedia player that provides clear and deep bass sound, the TIAMBOY Vintage Home CD Stereo System is a great option. Number 6. Sharp CDBH950 Stereo Shelf System. The Sharp CDBH950 offers a full-featured mini-system with a digital player, CD changer, cassette deck, and radio. With 240 watts total output power and 5 1/8 woofers and 2 inches tweeters, it provides a rich, dynamic soundscape. The digital AM/FM tuner has 40 presets for easy one-touch recall of your favorite channels. Inputs include audio line-in and USB, and outputs include headphones. The unit comes with a remote control for convenient operation from a distance. While the speakers must be wired to the unit, the Sharp CDBH950 offers Bluetooth streaming for all Apple and Android compatibility. The classic 5 CD trays and cassette tape tray add a retro feel to the system, and the wide range of playback formats ensures that you can listen to all your favorite music. However, the remote control has a limited range and requires precise aiming, and the FM antenna may not work well and may require an external antenna for better reception. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable stereo shelf system with multiple entertainment options, the Sharp CDBH950 is worth checking out. Number 7. LONPOO Bluetooth Home Stereo Shelf System. The LONPOO Bluetooth Home Stereo Shelf System is a complete solution for your listening needs, with a range of features that make it a versatile choice. Whether you want to listen to CDs, stream music from your phone, or tune into FM radio, this system has you covered. The built-in DSP technology ensures that your music sounds great, with clear highs and powerful lows. And with 30 watts of power, this system can fill a room with sound. The design is also a standout feature, with wooden speakers that have rounded corners, a big knob for easy operation, and a white backlit LED display screen. The system also comes with a remote control for convenient use. Overall, the LONPOO Bluetooth Home Stereo Shelf System is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact and versatile stereo system. With its range of features and stylish design, it's sure to please music lovers of all kinds.